Groot leaf truck comes out in October to clean the leaves up in Libertyville in Jay Schaefer's neighborhood. Jay Schaefer is raking the leaves down to the curb. Groot leaf truck is coming out, cleaning the leaves up in the fall. They're vacuuming the leaves up in neighborhoods. The Groot leaf truck is coming out in the fall to clean up the leaves. Groot leaf truck is coming around the neighborhoods to clean up the leaves. It is raining. They clean them up in the rain. They clean them up in the snow. The Groot leaf truck is out. Once it's the end of after Thanksgiving, they go back to the truck yard to be put away for the year. The garbage company can pick up the leaves in the bags. The Groot leaf truck is vacuuming the leaves up in Libertyville neighborhoods. The Groot leaf truck is driving around Libertyville cleaning up the leaves in downtown Libertyville or Libertyville neighborhoods. They go to alleyways and they clean up in the snow. The Groot leaf truck is going around picking up the leaves in the fall. In the fall of October, they clean them up till there's no more leaves on the streets. They clean them up to keep them out of the sewers and so they don't clog the sewers. The Groot leaf truck is coming around the neighborhoods picking up leaves. The Groot leaf truck is coming around picking up leaves in the neighborhoods. Groot leaf truck. Groot the leaf truck. Who am I? Groot the leaf truck. They're vacuuming the leaves up. The Groot vacuuming the leaves up in the fall. Libertyville, Round Lake, Mondelein, Volo, Grays Lake. They're vacuuming the leaves up, sucking those leaves up. Groot leaf truck drives around in the snow in November. I am the Groot leaf truck. Groot leaf truck is going around the neighborhoods picking up the leaves in the fall. Groot leaf truck is cleaning up the leaves on the streets, on the curbs, in viaducts. Groot leaf truck dumps their load at the leaf. The Groot leaf truck is vacuuming the leaves up in the fall in Volo Round Lake. They're cleaning the leaves up to make sure the sewers are clear for the water to go down the sewer so they don't clog. The leaf truck is vacuuming the leaves up. The Groot leaf truck is vacuuming the leaves up. The Groot leaf truck is taking it to the leaf dump. The Groot leaf truck is taking it to the leaf dump. They're cleaning the leaves up to make sure that all the leaves are completely gone on the curbs. Vacuum the leaves up, vacuum